Alright, y'all, so what we got here is a butterball turkey breast. We're gonna smoke it on the drum, and we're gonna make hot browns with it later on. So here's our turkey breasts. So what I'm gonna start with is, before I season, I'm going to insert my wireless probe, and I'm going to put it right here in this thick part up to there, so it's right in here. Why do it before seasoning? So that way I don't mess it up when I mess up the seasoning coat when I put it on there. And today I'm going to use a little Bayou Bear. It's my homemade kind of light Cajun rub. Use your favorite. And let's go to the drum, just like that. Let's come set up the cook. So I want to change my temperature. Oops. Go to fan. Instead of 350, I want my fan setting down around 300. 305 is good. That's okay with me. Alright. That's on there. Go back. Go back. Let's set up cook. Let's go poultry, turkey, breasts. I want it to let me know when I hit 160. And start cook. Put the thermometer in. Yep. Where to place the probe or the base. Yep. Time elapsed. There we go. And here we are. Now we're off and running. So it's removed from heat. Let's check our temperature. Ooh, look at those. Alright, so here we're going to start the making the hot brown. We're going to start making the Mornay sauce, the cheese sauce. We're going to heat our little pan up, and we're going to put a little bacon grease in there and get that melted down. Now, once that's melted down, we're going to pour in some heavy whipping cream. I think there was about half to 3/4 of that little pint container. So while that's heating up, we're going to go ahead and make our chaffles. It's just a cup of shredded cheese mixed with 1 egg. And you cook them until it stops steaming, and then we're going to pull them off and set it aside, and we're going to start another chaffle. And here I got a tub of this Parmesan Romano cheese. We're going to dump in about 1/3 of it, and we're going to mix this up to melt, and then we'll dump in about another 1/3 and mix until melted, and then the last little bit. Keep stirring to get it all melted in and keep it moving. Here we're making up another batch of chaffles. Each batch makes about 2 to 2.5, depending on how full you fill the waffle maker. Fast forward some, and we're going to go ahead and start plating. We're going to put a chaffle down in the center of our little skillets. We're going to put the turkey slices on top of the chaffle, and you see we're heating the turkey slices up on the waffle maker. Now I'm going to take some of these quartered cherry tomatoes and put them on the sides of the chaffle where the turkey's plated up in the center. And here I'm going to ladle some of that cheese sauce onto that lovely turkey. And oh man, that looks good. Hindsight, I probably should have put the chaffles in first, but I did that backwards. And now we're going to put the chaffle pieces in the edge while we're still cooking the turkey for the next one. Here I got some shredded mozzarella I'm just going to put on top. And you can put it in the broiler or you can use a torch, which I'm using right now. And I just want to toast up the that mozzarella cheese and some of the tomatoes. And of course I forgot to add the bacon on top, but that's what it looks like. Boy, was it tasty. Y'all have a great day, and remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome.